Hello, children. Good morning to all of you. I hope all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, we have completed our first term syllabus. We have conducted test also. Now we are going to start second term syllabus of moral science. We will start from chapter number 6, sense of humor. First, we will go through this chapter. Let us see. Sense of humor relates to a person's ability to make everybody laugh. Laughter is a unique force that creates many positive and pleasant effect on the body. In the stressful world of today, it is like a medicine which comes free of cost. Laughter is like a boon for both physical and mental health. It rejuvenates and refreshes the entire body. Laughter proves to be beneficial in the following ways. First, it induces feel good hormones in the body. Second, all major organs and blood get oxygenated, giving us a fair amount of energy. Third, it boosts the immune system. Fourth, it gives positive energy. Fifth, it removes stress, making us feel light and cheerful. Dear students, here one story is given. Let us see this story first. Once a lady was walking along the boundary of a mental hospital. She heard the mental patient shouting 13, 13, 13, 13 from the other side of the boundary. Out of curiosity, she tried to look over the boundary, but it was too high. Suddenly, she spotted a note hole in the boundary and walked over to see through it. As she put her eyes on the hole, she immediately moved back with a sound of ouch. She was poked in her eye with a stick and the mental patient started shouting 14, 14, 14. Here one another story is also given. Lift is out of order. Let us read this story. Once there were three friends, Lily, Millie and Silly. They all worked in the same office and also lived in the same skyscraper at the 75th floor. One day, when they returned from the office in the same car, the watchman informed the lift is out of order and would be operational after 3 hours. So, the friends had no other option rather than to use the stairs. They decided that for the first 25 floor, Lily would cause laughter by way of narrating funny stories. For the next 25th floor, Millie would crack jokes. For the last 25th floor, Silly would give some bad news to Lily and Millie. All the three ladies started climbing the stairs. For the first 25 floors, Lily made Millie and Silly laugh heartily. For the next 25 floor, Millie narrated funny jokes which also caused immense laughter. While climbing the stairs of the 51st floor, the first bad news that Silly gave was we have forgot the key of our flat in the car itself. Now here the third story is given. Norman Cousin's positivity. Let us see this story. Some time ago, a gentleman named Norman Cousin was diagnosed as terminally ill. He was given 6 months to live. His chance of recovery was 1 in 500. Cousin understood that his worry, depression, and anger contributed towards and perhaps helped to cause his disease. He wondered if illness is caused by negativity, can wellness be created by positivity? He decided to experiment it himself. Laughter was one of the most positive activity he knew. He collected all the funny movies he would find. He also collected books of jokes. Then, over a short period of time, he saw the movies and read the books. He spent his time laughing all through the day. He even called his friend and talked in a humorous way. As time passed, he started recovering from his illness and eventually lived for another 20 years. So, dear students, laughter is the best way of your releasing your stress and tension. A person who makes everybody laugh is liked by all. You should be fully aware that laughter gives freshness of mind and good health. The best way to cope with the stress is to have a hearty laughter many times a day. If you remain in a joyous mood, half of your stress automatically goes out of your mind and body. Laughter refreshes your mind, which help in deep thinking with an element of creativity in it. Always remember, empathy means to understand that someone else's pain is as meaningful as your own. So, dear students, we have completed this chapter. Now, I'll give you question answer, fill in the blanks in the next class. Thank you. Take care of yourself.